Good morning all of you. Good morning all the students of class 2. Once again we will start the chapter number 1, My Body in EVS. Chapter number 1, My Body in EVS. Why I am telling you this? Why we are going to start once again? Because we had the some gap. Okay, that's why I will repeat the lesson for you once again, so you will get the continuity of the chapter. Okay, see, this is your class 2 EVS book, Nature Sir, and there are 17th chapter in this class. Okay, first chapter is my body and last chapter is the sun and the moon. Okay, now chapter number 1, once again we will learn. Okay, my body. In this chapter we will learn external and internal organs. We will learn about the external and the internal organs of the body. Okay, and second thing, we learn how we can keep our body fit. It means we will learn something fitness tips in this chapter also. Okay, so number 1 is external organs. Number 1 is external organ. My dear students, first you have to understand the meaning of external. The meaning of external. External means the outside of our body. Okay, external means the outside of the body. External organs means the outside part of our body. Okay, the parts which you can see. The parts which you can see. Okay, you can see your hairs, you can see your forehead, you can see your nose, your eyes, your ears, lips, tongue, teeth, neck, hands, fingers, shoulder, okay, stomach, legs, toes, everything. You will learn, you will see everything. Okay, it means these all are the external organs. These all are the external organs. Okay, external, see, you have to learn this line. External organs means the parts of body which we can see nicely, feel nicely. Okay, the external organ means the parts of the body which we can see, And now second is internal organ. Second is internal organ. See, internal, first you have to understand the meaning of internal. Okay, because external body parts you had learnt in your previous class. Okay, but you did not learn about the internal organs. You did not learn about the internal organs. So this word internal is new for you. This word internal organ is new for you. Why I am telling you this? Because we already learnt the parts of the body in our previous class. Okay, we did not learn anything about the organs. Okay, yes, so internal organs means inside our body. Internal organs means inside our body. Okay, see, first we will learn the names of the external organs. First we will learn the names of the external organs. See, look at here. In your books there are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, these all are the external organs. These all are the external organs. Okay, now I made you already learn about all these in our previous lectures, but once again I am repeating for you so you can understand nicely. See, eyes, first organ is eyes. First external organ is eyes. Okay, the eyes help us to identify the shape, size and color. What is the main work of our eyes? Eyes can identify the first shape, second size, third color of the anything, and ears. The main work of ears are to hear different type of sound. Ears help us to hear different sounds. Okay, different sound means everything has the different sound. Birds have the different sounds. Sound of fan is also different. Sound of cooler is different. Everything has the different sound. Okay, now number 3, nose. Nose help us to smell the things. Nose help us to smell the things. Okay, and number 4, tongue. Tongue help us to taste the thing. Okay, whatever you will eat, your tongue will tell you the taste of that particular thing. Suppose if you will eat something sweet, it means it is sweet. Okay, then you will keep some little drops of lemon on your tongue. It means the taste of the lemon is sour. If your mama will prepare bitter gourd for you, it means what is the taste of bitter gourd? Yes, definitely bitter. Okay, when you will eat something salty, the taste of that thing is salt. Okay, now last is skin. Skin help us to feel the things. Skin help us to feel the things. Okay, suppose when mosquito will bite you here and there, okay, that time how you will feel? You will feel by the skin. You will feel that thing by the skin. Okay, these all are the external organs of everybody's body. These all are the external organs of our body. Okay, now turn the page and take out the page number 6. Take out the page number 6. Okay, in this page we will learn about internal organs. We will learn about the internal organs. Internal, first you have to understand what is the mean by internal. Internal organ means the organs which you cannot able to see. Internal organ means the organs which you cannot able to see. Okay, you are able to see the eyes, but you cannot see what is inside your brain. Okay, it means internal organ means the organs which you cannot see nicely. Okay, in this first we will learn about the brain. See my dear students, there is the picture of the brain. See, look at here, this is the picture of your brain. Okay, so now I am going to read what is written in your book about the brain. The brain is inside our head. Your first line is, the brain is inside our head. Okay, what line is wrote over here? Here is written brain inside. That word inside means the अंदर वाला organ of the body. Okay, अंदर वाला organ of the body. Okay, now it is brain. What we call brain. What we call brain. Okay, and what is the function of our brain? This you have to know. If brain is inside our body, then what is the function of the brain? The main function of brain is that brain controls our entire body. Brain control entire body. See, when you will watch the television or when you will watch the cartoon shows, first, which thing you want in your hand? What things required in your hand? And you're crazy about that thing. I want to know the name of that thing. Okay, right now you are not sitting in front of me. That's why I am telling you the answer. Your answer is remote. Yes, my dear students, when you want to watch the cartoon shows or when you want to watch the television, you need first remote. Why you need remote? Have you ever think about this? Why you need remote? Why? Because remote can control the television. By using remote, you will change the channels. You can increase or decrease the volume of your television. That's why when you want to watch the television, you need remote, because remote can control the television. Okay, as like that, I am giving you the next example. If you have air condition AC at your home, that time also you can control the temperature of your AC by using remote. Okay, you can use the remote to control the temperature of AC. It means you need the remote. As like that, the brain controls the entire organs of our body. Brain, learn this line, keep this line in your mind. Brain control our entire body. Brain control our entire body. And second work, think. Yes, the second work of brain is think. Whenever I am telling you, okay, think, that time you're using what? Yes, this brain help us to think. Okay, whatever we want to do, first we will think. Okay, suppose I will throw a questions to you, then if you don't know that answer, you will think the answer now, then you will start searching that answer. Okay, it means you are thinking. So first work of brain is that brain controls our entire body. Brain control our entire body. Okay, and second work of the brain is brain help us to think. Brain help us to think. It is actually control center of the body. Okay, so the explanation about the brain is, first, brain is our internal organ. Second, brain controls our entire body. And third, brain help us to think. Brain help us to think. Okay, now I am going to explain about the heart. I am going to explain about the heart. Okay, this is the picture of heart. This is the picture of heart. Okay, now when you was in last year class, or the shape of heart for you is like that. No, it is not the real picture of the heart. Actually, it is not the real picture of the heart. Heart is not as like this shape. Heart is not actually this type of shape. So this is the proper shape of the heart. Okay, now we will learn about the heart. The heart is located inside our chest. Your line number 1 is the heart is located inside our chest. Located means, have you heard this word located? Yes. Yes, location. Location means that particular place. Location means the proper particular place. So where is heart in your body? The heart is located inside our chest. My dear student, keep this line in your mind. Learn this line nicely. I will ask to you when you will come to school, where is heart located? So heart is located inside our chest. Our heart is located inside our chest. Okay, and what is the function of our heart? See, brain controls our entire body. This is the function of brain. Then what is the function of our heart? The function of heart is heart pumps the blood. Heart pumps blood to all the parts of our body. See, my dear students, when you will go in class 3, then only you will learn the work of heart in deeply. Okay, that time you will learn deeply about the heart, how hearts work. Okay, but here in class 2 there are only 2 lines explanation has given. The heart is located. First thing you have to learn and first thing you have to keep in your mind is that heart is located inside our chest. And second, the main function of the heart is hearts pump the blood. Hearts pump the blood and send into all parts of the body. Okay, see, where is heart? Heart is inside your chest. Second, the function of the heart is hearts pump blood to parts of all body. Okay, now number 3, lungs. Number 3, lungs. We will learn about the lungs. Okay, see, first I will show you the picture of lungs. See, look at here. This is your lungs. Actually, this is the picture of the proper human body's lungs. Okay, now I am explaining you what is actually lungs. The lungs are in pair. The lungs are in pair. Okay, pair means the joda. What is the meaning of the pair? We call pair in Hindi joda. Okay, yes, the lungs are in pair and situated in are chest and situated where lungs are in pair. When you will read the chapter, please try to learn all these things. Okay, lungs are in pair. Lungs are in pair. Okay, pair means the joda, and it's situated inside our chest. It situated means कहाँ पर है, तो जहाँ है inside our chest, हमारे chest के अंदर है. Okay, they help us to breathe. What is the main function of the lungs? Breathe. Okay, dear students, nowadays you are hearing the disease, you are hearing about the coronavirus. Okay, coronavirus is a first coronavirus is attack on our immunity system, and immunity system is related to our breathing. Okay, here there is no proper deep explanation. Why? Because now you are little, but when you will go in class 3, 4 and 5, then you will learn more about these all organs. Okay, so first is lungs are in pair. First you have to keep this thing in your mind, lungs are in pair. Okay, and second, where is it situated in your body? Where are the lungs situated in your body? So lungs are situated inside our chest. Yes, my dear students, lungs are situated in our chest. And third, what is the main function of the lungs? The main function of the lungs to help us to breathe. The main function of the lungs is breathe. Breathe means सांस लेना. In Hindi we call breathe सांस लेना. Breathing means सांस लेना. Okay, breathe means सांस. Okay, so what you learned in this? You learned about the lungs. First, lungs has in a pair. Second, lungs situated in our chest. And third, they help us to breathe. They help us to breathe. Okay. Now, last is stomach. Last is stomach. And look at here. This is the proper picture of your stomach. This is the proper picture of your stomach. Okay, stomach we call stomach in Hindi pet. We call stomach in Hindi. Okay. The stomach is inside our belly. Where is actually located our stomach? Stomach is located inside our belly. Have you heard this word belly? When you will watch that shows, what is the name of that shows? India's Best Dancer or India's Super Dancer and all. That time you heard that word. Belly. Okay. That time you have seen the belly dancers. Belly dancers are wearing some accessories over here, and they are using their bellies while dancing. Okay, the belly part they are shaking. The belly part they are shaking when they will dance. Okay, so stomach is inside our belly. Stomach is inside our belly. The food which we eat goes in it. Okay, whenever you will eat something, first which part of the body you will use? You will use first mouth. You will use first mouth. Okay, whatever you will eat, first you will use your mouth. Then it goes into your food pipe. See here, there is a food pipe. And then it goes into your stomach. And then into and then it goes into your stomach. The stomach help us in what? The stomach help us in digestion. The stomach help us in digestion. See, whatever you will eat, first you will use your mouth, then it goes into your food pipe, then it goes into your stomach. And what stomach do? Stomach produce some juice over there and it help us to digest your food. Main function of stomach is that stomach digest the food. Okay, and food is very much required for us. Without food, we human cannot stay alive. See, I will explain you more about the stomach. I can explain you more things about the stomach. See, this is our mouth. When we will eat something, we will use mouth, then it goes into food pipe, then it goes into stomach, then there are many functions are there in the stomach, then it goes to small intestine, then large intestine. I can explain you more deeply, but these all things are not in your syllabus. You will learn about all these in class 3. That's why I will explain you little about the stomach. That's why I am explaining you little about the stomach. Okay, so stomach situated in our belly. Stomach situated in our belly. Then food whatever we eat, it goes into our stomach. It goes into our stomach, and stomach help us to digest that food whatever we ate. Stomach help us to digest the food, and all organs help us to stay alive. These all organs help us to stay alive. Okay, see, first where is the stomach? Stomach is inside our belly. First questions, where is stomach? Then your answer is stomach is inside our belly, and food we eat, it goes into our stomach. Whatever we will eat, it goes into food pipe, then stomach. Okay, and stomach help us to digest the food. What is the main function of the stomach? Stomach help us to digest the food. Okay, then all the organs, see, entire organs, whatever it is, external organs or internal organs, all organs help us to stay alive. Whether it is external organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, or whether it is internal organs like brain, heart, lungs, stomach, all organs help us to stay alive. Okay, now I am going to finish my today's lecture. I am hoping you will enjoy the lecture. Please, you will learn many new words in this chapter. Okay, or you will be hear many new words in this lesson. So please try to keep all these words in your mind. Okay, because when we will solve the exercise which is based on all these words, okay, so it will help you. So I am going to finish this lecture. In my next lecture we will learn about how we can keep our body fit. We will learn about this part. Okay, only this part is remain, then we will solve the exercise. Only this part of the chapters is remain, then we will solve the exercise. So stay home, stay safe and keep studying. Thank you.